Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to pay with Cash App without a card at Walmart. So let's get into the video. So let me open up your Cash App and log into your account. So if you don't have a card but you wish to pay with your Cash App, so what you can do when you get to this, open up your app, log into your account, and when you get to this page here, simply type in when you get to this store. So once you have done with your purchase, so it's like whatever the amount that you need to pay, just type that in. For example, $50. So just type that in, and then what you're going to do, you're going to hit this pay option here. So when you get to this pay option here, now here just get the name, phone or email address, or the cash tag details of the store's Cash App details. So you just need to get this from the store. Just ask them for any of these Cash App details. So once you get that, so just simply type that in. So you're going to send it to that account, and then you can add a note here if you want regarding this transaction, and then you're going to send as cash. And then what you're going to do, you're going to so once everything is done, so all you have to do, just hit on this. There will be a pay option here on top here, this green button. So just hit on pay, and that's it. Your amount will be sent to their Cash App's account. So this is without a card. So hope this information was helpful. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.